Welcome to Draw. Please feel free to shout at your screen as soon as you recognise what it is that I'm drawing. So, these animals today are also known as pinnipeds. They make up three diverse groups of semi-aquatic carnivorous marine animals, constituting the most species-rich clade of living marine mammals. There are 33 types that are widely distributed around the world. Evolutionarily speaking, they're thought to be the most closely related to bears and the group of animals that includes weasels and otters, as well as skunks, raccoons, and red pandas. Now, while there are many differences among the species, they all have feet shaped like fins. In fact, the word pinniped means fin-footed in Latin. Those fin-shaped feet make them supreme swimmers, and all pinnipeds are considered semi-aquatic marine mammals. This means they must spend some part of their lives on land or sea ice, usually during the mating and birthing seasons. So with so much time spent in water, some species have evolved the ability to hold their breath for up to 2 hours and dive to depths more than 6,500 feet whilst looking for food. Researchers think that their blood carbon monoxide levels are connected to their deep dives. And one study found that their blood is around 10% carbon monoxide, which researchers attribute to the animals holding their breaths for about 75% of their lives. Exhaling is the only way for an animal to clear carbon monoxide from his body. Researchers also, of a particular subset of pinniped, illustrated a drop in brain temperatures by 3 degrees Celsius over the course of a 15-minute dive, in a process designed to reduce oxygen consumption by the brain. They circulate cold blood to the brain through the large superficial veins from their front flippers, ultimately reducing the brain's oxygen demand by an estimated 15 to 20%. This extends their diving capacity substantially and provides additional protection against hypoxic injury. Now, most species live in very large social groups called colonies, and they typically come to land or sea ice to mate and raise young in tightly packed gatherings of thousands. While they are social and typically remain in groups, they do not have close relationships, and they are usually solitary hunters. In comparison to other pinnipeds, true seals do not communicate by barking. Instead, they communicate by slapping the water and grunting. Yes, it is a seal if you hadn't guessed already. Now, in ancient times, people believed that seals were capable of changing into humans. This belief was likely due to the fact that they spend time both in the water and on the land. Seals are also very rich in symbolism, and in many cultures they are seen as a symbol of power, strength, and good luck. Seals hold cultural significance for indigenous communities across the Americas, particularly among the Northwest Coast tribes. These creatures are seen as symbols of prosperity and abundance, embodying the notion of wealth in the natural world. In Hawaiian legend, the monk seal holds a special place in Hawaiian culture, revered as a graceful and intelligent creature with sacred ties to the creator god Lono. Beyond their spiritual significance, the monk seal is also esteemed as a protector of human souls in the afterlife. I hope you enjoyed watching, and please click and subscribe so you can see some more drawings. Bye!